Well, some local charities need an extra push for the holidays. One of those is the Salvation Army's Christmas Cheer Warehouse. And Jamil Reepsam joins us now to talk about the organization's Angel Tree program. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thanks so much for having us.
Well, tell us how things stand right now and about the need and just how things are going.
Well, today is a very special day for us at the Salvation Army. It's the third day of distribution to our more than 2,700 families and more than 6,000 children. So today we're distributing to 450 families their holiday gifts that have come from Central Texans that have come to the challenge to support their neighbors. So it's a beautiful day here today.
That's got to be so satisfying for you, all the work that you and so many other volunteers and staff have done to get to pass that Christmas cheer along.
Absolutely. We are just overwhelmed and feel so blessed. As we approach the holiday season, the Salvation Army is out there serving the community in many ways. The Angel Tree is one of dozens of programs that we do, and when we come to the community in November and say, this is how many angels we have, this is who we need to serve this holiday season, it is just an amazing feeling and thing to witness our neighbors and all the Central Texans that come to the challenge, either online adopting angels, going to the mall, or adopting through their companies. It's truly, the spirit of Christmas is here today.
Yeah, it's awesome because there wouldn't be a Christmas for some of these families if people didn't step up and if you didn't step up and do the work you did. What about going beyond, though? What about, unfortunately, some needs that never go away? What are some ways people can help out either right now or as we go forward into the new year?
Well, we can use help 365 days a year. As I said before, this is one of dozens of programs that the Salvation Army does right here in Central Texas, serving Williamson and Travis County. So 365 days a year, you can go to our website at salvationarmyaustin.org, and you can volunteer your time and you can donate. Right now, as I'm sure many folks have seen, our kettles are out. It is our season. We are working to get out and let people know specifically what we're doing here to serve. And if you see a kettle in the mall, please feel free to go talk to one of our bell ringers, donate monetarily, share your stories with us, and above all, go online and see what we're doing and how we're serving at salvationarmyaustin.org.
We'll do it. So many ways to help out. It's awesome. Jamil, thank you so much. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Merry Christmas to y'all.